Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a tamale, sausage, and egg breakfast. So let's get roasting. I found these Green Hatch chili tamales at the grocery outlet. There's a dozen of them in here. These were $7.99 for the bag of them. They come in all different flavors. You know, beef, chicken, black bean, whatever. And they're not very big. They're kind of small. So, I mean, they make good breakfast. They're good for breakfast. I've tried cooking them different ways, and I thought they were good this way. So basically, my pan is this 10-inch cast iron skillet, slightly oiled. I'm going to take them out of the husks. I've tried cooking them with the husks on, but I kind of like cooking them this way because they get a little crispier on the outside, which I kind of like. So we'll get those in there. Those tamales aren't very big, so I decided to use 3. Then I'm taking a half a stick of this Portuguese linguica sausage here. I'm going to peel the casing off of it. It'll come off. Alright, pretty good. And then I'm just going to take the scissors and just kind of cut it up into small pieces like that, and it'll just kind of crisp up. You could use other kind of sausages. You can use whatever kind of sausage you want, really. This will be Portuguese and Mexican combination. So I usually just cook with whatever I have on hand. So this is what we're doing today. I'm going to cook this first, then I'll add a couple eggs at the end. I'm using the air roast setting at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When those look done, I'll add the eggs. While that's cooking, I have some frozen avocado chunks here that I put into a bowl so they can start to thaw out. Also going to cut up some of this green onion and those red cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to sprinkle this over the top when it's done. It's been 14 minutes. These are looking good. I'm going to add my eggs now. This is looking good. Just put a couple eggs on the back here. There's one. Two. And grab a glove and I'll get those back into the oven. My eggs were in there for 4 minutes and they look good, so I think total cooking time was about 18 minutes. Season them up a little bit of kosher salt. Add a little bit of the kosher salt to my vegetable mixture there. A little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper, got to have that. Besides sugar, got red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. A little bit of that in my mixture there. Alright, that looks good. And I have some of this sour cream. I like this sour cream in this squeeze bags. It's handy and it's easy to use, and I think it keeps longer too because it's sealed up. There we go. Looking good. Now we'll make it look pretty. We'll add some of my my avocado, onion, and tomato mix here. Get that on there. This is nice and colorful. Let's see how it turned out here. Cut into one of these tamales here. I think the tamales have cheese inside them. Yeah, a little bit of cheese. My egg yolks are runny. Got a little bite of sausage there. Alright, let's try that out. That's good. It's definitely not bland. There's a lot of different flavors in that. See if Annie likes tamales. It's not spicy really. Let's let her try it. Yep, looks like it's Annie approved. So there's something a little different you can try. That's probably one of the most flavorful breakfasts I've made. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.